up, you guys? As you can see, I am back with another video, and I have these wonderful protein smoothies that I'm so eager to try. So if you want to see how these look and what I think of these, keep on watching. So you guys, of course, I will be using the BlendJet 2 to make these protein smoothies. The first one that I have is the blueberry acai, the orange and mango pineapple, and the peanut butter power breakfast. I'm eager to make it, so let's get started. The liquid of choice that I will be using is the Almond Breeze almond milk. So the first one I will be making is the peanut butter power breakfast. These are the nutritional facts that is on the back. It's 160 calories. It is vegan, gluten-free, and also 15 grams of protein. Here I'm just going to pour about 8 ounces of almond milk. This actually tastes good. Yeah, this is a go. So the next one that I will be making is the orange mango pineapple, and again, these are the nutritional facts on the back. This is 180 calories and also 15 grams of protein. This one actually smells really good. You can smell that orange and mango pineapple. Man, this tastes like, have you ever had those orange sickle ice creams? This is exactly what it tastes like. This is really good. So that's 2 out of 2 for me. I really like this one as well. So last but not least, I am about to try the blueberry acai protein smoothie. And of course, these are the nutritional facts on the back. 170 calories with 15 grams of protein. Tastes good as well. Okay, BlendJet. To be honest, you guys, I really do. I just tell you my honest opinion at the end of the video. This is really good as well. All three of these smoothies are really good. Yeah, this is good as well. So 3 out of 3. So you guys, out of all 3 of these smoothies, I can say that my favorite, no, I'll say my least favorite was the blueberry acai, which was good as well. I'm not going to say that it wasn't good. That's just my least favorite. And my favorite, of course, was the orange mango pineapple, which tastes like ice cream. So if I really had these really cold, I know it would taste even better. So I give first place to orange mango pineapple. But this was good as well, peanut butter power breakfast. And like I said, the blueberry acai was really good as well. But that's just my least favorite out of these 3. BlendJet also has other different varieties of flavors for these protein smoothies. So please be sure to go on their website to check out the different flavors that they do have. And of course, as well, I will put it down in the description box where you can get a discount of 12% off of these jetpacks from BlendJet. Be sure to put that code in, HealthyWay12, to get your 12% off today, or to get your 12% off of your BlendJet too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I thank you all for subscribing to my channel, following me as I give you guys reviews on the BlendJet 2 and whatever products that they do come out with. I hope you are enjoying this content. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.